Rago CLI is a command line interface which helps you to automate and speed up your development. It simplifies complex processes up to 3 times faster. Rago CLI is a game changer because it makes developers' life much easier. Before, we had to do everything manually, downloading solution, managing proxies, setting up states, and creating CRUD pages, which was slow and easily leads to mistakes. Hello, I'm Shivani Bhalera, software developer at Y Technologies. Today, I'm excited to brief you on Rago CLI. Now, with Rago CLI, task automations become effortless. It simplifies your workflow with user-friendly commands, saving time and reducing errors. Let's dive in as I'm share my screen to demonstrate. First, it can quickly download solutions for your projects. You just need to add the command over there and it will create the solution for you. Next, it makes creating proxies simple so you don't have to set them up manually. You can also add the Swagger URL over there and it will create the proxy for you. It can also create slice file to help manage your state and logic. And most importantly, it can generate CRUD pages with the relationships for both monolith and microservices architecture. You can see the output over here. You can add the entities. You can edit those entities. And you can delete it. Rago CLI is a tool designed to streamline and simplifies your development task. It automates repetitive tasks and simplifies complex processes up to 3 times faster. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.